Hi everybody, my name is Seth Bani, and in this particular video I'm going to show you 12 websites to download your PNG files for free. Now I'm going to show you all these for free because PNG files are one of the things that graphic designers need for their projects, and I personally use PNG files a lot. I love it because of its lossless compression quality. You can compress it and you can enlarge it and you can reduce it, and still the quality is in there. And even if it's going to lose some quality, just going to lose a few little quality, but then the quality is still guaranteed. And then also you can save your document with a transparent background, and that's why I use it. I believe you already know about that already. I don't want to spend much of your time because I know time is money, so let's just jump straight into it. The first site that I want to introduce you to is PNG Wing. PNG Wing. And so you can see it over here like this. All you got to do is type whatever you're looking for. If you're looking for pizza, you just type pizza and then enter, and then it's going to show you a variety of pizza. The one that you love, you just click on it like this, and then it's going to load for you, and then you just scroll down, and then you're going to see it over here like this, and you're going to see the size also with it. You just click on it, and then it is going to load over here again. Just wait. I am a human being, of course, so you just click on it, and then it's going to show you what to do. Click containing boats. So we see it over here, containing boats. This is a boat here, this is a boat here, this is a boat here. It doesn't matter whether it's a ship or it's a canoe, it still is a boat. So just click on it, and then click on verify, and then it's going to pop up for you. It's just going to download like this for you, and this is very, very cool. And then you can just go and then see your file over here. Guys, this is amazing. The second website I want to introduce you to is seekpng.com. seekpng.com. This is also one of the sites that I also use personally. You can also type burger, and then let's see what it's going to show. Burger is giving us all types of burger. Whoa. This is amazing. All right, so just choose the one that you love. The one that you love. Let's just see. I can't even pick any. They are all amazing. Let me just choose this one. Now guys, remember, this one comes with a transparent background. You don't need to cut the image from the background. It's already done for you. That's why it's a PNG file, right? So you just click on download over here, and then it's going to open this page for you. Now you can scroll down. You're not going to find anything because it is over here, free download. Click on it, and then it's going to pop up again. When it's done loading, it's going to pop up here, and you click on it, and automatically it's going to download. You're going to see it over here like this. This is also for free. The third website I want to introduce you to is pngegg.com. pngegg.com. Alright, so let's just type car, and then let's see whether we're going to get a car. Alright, so we have amazing, beautiful cars. This is awesome. Let's just pick this one. Comes with a shadow. Let's pick this one. This SUV comes with a shadow, and then let's see. Okay, so when you scroll down, you're going to see it over here, PNG for free with the size also attached to it. Okay, it's 1.05 megabyte. Let's click on it, and then let's see. I am a human being, and then okay, so this one also comes with this SG. So as you see here, yeah, okay, so now I think I'm done, right? So automatically downloads for me PNG erg. That's awesome. All right, so the next one is highpng.com. Alright, let's see how it's going to be. Alright, so now this is also with highpng.com. Let's just type pizza. Alright, and let's check. I don't use this site often though, but then for food and stuff like that, I think you're going to get it over here. Okay, so you can see pizza over here also. The same stuff. Once you click on it, okay, so it's over here. You download in 2 seconds, 1 second, and then boom, it shows up. You click on it, and I believe it downloads for you 2.8 megabyte, and through that is also it. The next one is pngall.com, and then you just search for what you are looking for. Let's just say pizza again. Okay, and so just look through and see the one you want. Let's just click this and see. And then this page is going to load for us. Let's scroll here, download PNG file. Just click there, and it's going to download for you. Alright, so the next one is png.com, similar png.com. All right, now here let's also type, let's just see burger. All right, now you can type anything. It doesn't need to be burger or pizza alone, but I'm just going to show you a variety of what you think you need or what you might look out for. Let's click over here as well. Let's just see whether we can download it actually. And so let's see, downloading button is here. Let's hope it's this one. Get link, download. Okay, so automatically just downloads for us. It's high quality because even the size is too big. I see that. So this is good also. And then the next site, top png.com. This is also another good site I like to use. Personally, I like to use. Let's look for something different. Let's just see house. Right. Let's just say we are looking for a house. I don't know whether that's gonna load. Okay, you have a dog house. Now we have a house. This is a very good site, you see. So you could pick this one. Now if you're somebody who likes to use photo manipulation a lot, you're really going to enjoy this because it comes even in the house. You're going to find it at top PNG. This is awesome. Okay, so where is the download button? That's what we are looking for. Normally it's up here. Okay, so this small green button over here, click on it, and thank you for downloading. It means it's going to load very soon. Alright, so click over here, I'm not a robot, and then automatically it will download for you. This is also great. The next one I want to introduce you to is nicepng.com. Click on it and it's going to load for you like this. Let's look for weapon. Let's see what kind of weapon is it going to give us. What kind of weapon are we going to get? Oh, okay. Wow, it really has weapons though. Is this a weapon? This is a Christmas weapon. Oh my god. Alright, so let's just say we need this. I don't know what this is. Once you click on it, it's going to load like this. Click on download PNG, and then I believe it's also going to load like this, and then come here and download, and then it's going to load again, and then give you the something for you to click on, and then it's going to load like this and download for you. And so that is what nice PNG is. The website is also quite cool. I love it a lot. The next one is stickpng.com. Stickpng.com. Let's see how that site also is. Now they are telling me that site is not secure, but then it is. I don't know why. Today is telling me it's not secure. Sometimes it happens. Sometimes those sites get compromised from time to time. So I am not going to use this site today, but you can still look for it. You can type anything. Let's just say you want food. Okay, let's see whether it's still not going to be secure. If it's not secured, we just exit it. Alright guys, so you can see a variety of food over here. Now today the site is not secure, so I'm not going to use it. I would advise you also not to use it because I don't know what's happening today, but it's not secured. But then the next time perhaps you visit it, it might be. Okay, and so let's move on from here. Let's go to another favorite site of mine, pngaaa.com, and then enter. Now like I said, this is one of the favorite sites that I use. Let's look for model, or let's just say, oh okay, still went. But it's still gonna show us some people. Let me add L to it. Let's see. So if you're looking for a model, you can find them here. Oh, sexy ass models. We have male models, whatever you were looking for. If you want to design a party flyer, these are also quite good. I've seen this lady on a lot of party flyers. Okay, I think I've used this guy for also one of my birthday flyers, and so you can check them out. But let's see how you can download them, right? I mean, it not be fun if they are here and you cannot download them. So let me click on one of them. Alright, so let's see. Let's click over here, and then let's see. Please wait while your URL is generating. Click over here. And then let's see 10 seconds. Okay, so you can see over here it's downloading for us. And this is also great, a great site for you to download your items from. And the next site I want to introduce you to again is PNGitem.com, and then you click on OK. Now this site is one of the high resolution sites. Let's say you don't even need to log in. Let's just say you're looking for Coke. Okay, you don't even need to log in. You just download whatever you want to download, and then you are on your way. Okay, let's say I want this, and then boo, it just gives me the option, and I click on download, and then it loads for me, and then I come here, I click on download again. It gives me this the notice over here, whatever it is. Click on download again, and then it's going to download automatically for me over here. So you can see over here like this. This is also great a site for you to use. Now the next one I want you to do is kind PNG, the next website .com. Now this is one of the first websites I got introduced to. It gave me quite some quality pictures back then, and I used to use this a lot. I don't know why I stopped using it. Maybe it's because I don't know. I started with this. I was like kind PNG. I don't know. Maybe it's because I found more alternatives, right? Alright, so let's just say we like this flowers, right? And then we want to download it. Just come over here, then click on free download, and then it will download automatically for you as well. Alright, so guys, these are the 12 websites that you can get free PNG files from. These are the sites that I use. Of course, now with time you're going to find 1 or 2 sites that you're going to be using often. That's okay. But then if you love this video, please hit the bell icon and subscribe to this channel as well. Like this video and comment as well. I love you all guys. See you in the next tutorial. Peace.